How to log into United Airlines account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in United Airlines and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, united.com. Click on it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, at the top right, you're going to see this icon. Click on it. With that, login section will appear. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. First, you go ahead and type in your MyList Plus number, then type in your password. In the case you have forgotten the MyList Plus number or password, you can click on these options to recover it. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Me. After you fill this, click on Sign In, and just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into United Airlines account. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.